Doobie 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 doo. Woo. Doobie doop boop boop. Ow. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let me make sure my audio is good. Yeah, I think we're doing pretty good here. How are you doing today? Welcome to another stream. I am only going to be able to stream for approximately 1 hour. Even though my timer is set for 20 minutes, I need to add 30 more minutes onto that. So that should be 50. We'll make it 50, 60 minutes exactly. Okay, 60 minutes. And that's when my timer goes off. So here we go. Let's just go ahead and jump in to core. And there we go. Okay, we will do that. And then back here we are. And yeah, so we're going to actually jump in here and I'm going to play with my test project. No, world building. World building. Here we go. We're building a world. Okay. Actually, you know what? We're not going to build the world yet. We're going to escape, close the editor. We're going to go into, I just want to take a look at supermarket sweep. Load from last autosave. I just want to see exactly how he did what he did. I think I have an idea here. But like if we go here, it is literally just a cube that he has deformed. And okay, all right, let's see what we can do here. So yeah, I started a little something here. I'm gonna try a few things. I'm gonna go here and floor. What do we get for floor? Oh, craftsman floor, fantasy castle floor, main street floor, fantasy floor. What is this? Sci-fi base floor. Oh, look at all these urban damage floors, urban floor great. White box floor. All right. Can I put a new default floor in? Like, is that a thing? Camera, spawn, trigger, weapon, like, no. So, like, if I delete the floor, this default floor, then what happens, right? I don't know. Oh, wow, look at this. Scale 100 by 100. Interesting. Okay. And then if I can I find a carpet? I just want simple office carpet. Here we go. And we plop that there. Okay, base material. Wait, what? Shouldn't it have been here? I can't put it there, but I can put it here. Office carpet. No, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Boop. Undo. Looking for this white box floor. That's what I want in the office carpet. Oh, not the mesh. I need the material here. But it didn't change the way it looks. Am I on the right thing again? I am. Let's move this up a little bit here just so we can... Oh, I see. It changed the ceiling material, something different, but not... Why is it called a floor if it's a cereal? Or if it's a... Oh, I see. Oh, that's... Okay, I see. Cool. Okay, so if we reset that, that's fine because we don't care about what's below that. Oh, yes. Cool. There we go. This is how we start. So if I take this entire cubicle, well, let's look what this is built up with. The cubicle wall, one corner. Yeah, okay. So, but I can take this whole thing and I can go whoop, and then can I just put it like I can? Okay, and then we can take this floor and make it bigger and smaller. See, this. How do I draw terrain now? Terrain. Import from height map. Generate new terrain. Cube world, flat terrain, noisy planet, ravines. But how do I draw? Let's just hit sphere world and see what happens. Nothing. So we're gonna... Oh, terrain is different than default floor. We have a mesh and a base material. Can I just like disable or hide this temporarily? Find in catalog. There we go. 3D objects, basic objects. It's just a cube? The default floor is just a cube. Huh. Okay. It's good to know. It's literally just a cube that's been smushed and stretched and whatever else. Okay, so let's have a look here and see about bringing the cubicle. You know what? Let's get rid of the other cubicles because forget them. And you know what? Let's move this out. Get rid of cubicle row. Get rid of cubicle row. Okay. I'm gonna bring this down. I hit end, and that brings it to the floor. Good, good. Okay. So now I need to shove it like that, right? And can I, like, I want to know here what we've got. So I feel like this floor needs to be a lot bigger though. So if we make this 100 by 100, and then we can adjust it. Oh, that's really big. Okay, let's try 10 by 10. Does that look like a good amount of space for... Let's grab our spawn point here and let's... I wish I could do a little bit more when it comes to moving things. There we go. Okay, so if I hit play, how big exactly an area are we looking at here? All right, not bad. I feel like this is too much. So let's put this back to the 0, 0. Oh, 1, 1, not 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. And what about a wall? Is there a wall? What kind of walls do we have to play with? Craftsman wall? I don't. This is like house stuff, isn't it? This is like a freaking wall of a house. Yeah, yeah, that's a house wall. I don't want a house wall. I want office wall or something, not fantasy. I just need not Japanese temple. Something that's like the inside sci-fi. Okay, is it urban? This is white box floor. White. I guess I could just do white box wall to start, right? And then put it up here, right? And adjust it this way, and then adjust it this way a bit. But then how do you like line this crap up? Like, I guess it's like that. Oh yeah, you know what? That's how we do it. We put the frickin' snap to grid on and set it to 1. Thank you. Okay. Let's set it to 10. There we go. And then we can do this guy and go like that. This guy go up. This guy go... Oh, no. Why? Why don't they line up properly? Like, I guess it's because of where the axis is located in this thing, right? I mean, it's not super important. Like, actually, you know what? There's a gap there too. So, okay, that's fine. And this guy, can this guy go? And now we have some weird overlap, which I guess if we're standing on it, oh, I can't do that. I need to actually, and it was what? Shift N? Shift equal. All right, so I can spawn here. Like, I see that there, but I won't actually see it in the game, right? So let's go ahead and duplicate that. Duplicate is Control W, not Control D, because it can't be the same thing as anything else, right? Okay, so we got 90. Let's try neg 90. Okay. So if we take this and we go, so it looks like there, and then we can go there. Is that right? Let's see. And then we need to do the up down here to match as well. And I guess technically we could make it a little taller so it doesn't have too much overlap there. Like, why does this guy's got to go in just a little more there too, right? And so we have just a tiny fraction. Oh my God. Okay, tiny fraction of overlap and stuff there. We got the walls, and then this desk. Just kind of smooch it in there. Does that go into the wall? Does a little bit, but is it important? Let's find out. Is that actually important? Well, we could sit at this desk. This is a good desk. That's a very big cubicle for any like office job. This is like the cushy cubicle. I feel like this is like the supervisor's cubicle who has to watch out for everybody else. Actually, something isn't right here. This cubicle wall is too tall or something. I'm trying to think back to my days as a cubicle warrior. Let's try neg 90 instead. Where does that put us? That puts us like that. We put it 90 and then we move it this way. Yeah, I feel like this is like a supervisor's desk. And they get to sit here and they can look out this way through this little thing and see the rest of the office there. They're all their cubicle workers, and then they get a little doorway where they can walk. Does that sound about right? I think that seems about right. And how about here? Do we need to adjust this so that it doesn't clip? See how that looks. Oops, I keep doing that. Okay, up and okay. Get a little space there. That's fine. You get a little space there. You have a chair here you can sit in. Okay, cool. Okay, so now what we do is we take this cubicle or this floor and we duplicate it, and then we shove it over until it goes snap like that, and you don't even know it's there. How about that? And now we take this wall and we duplicate it, and we go and we do the exact same thing. Snap. Huzzah! Okay, so here we go. We're going to create a folder, new folder, and this will be Office. Inside the office, we will have another folder called Walls. We have another folder called Cubicle Farm. Cubicle Farm. Perfect. Okay, so we will take our walls, and we need floor. So our walls obviously go into the wall folder. The floor goes into the floor folder, and this one we're going to rename Supervisor Desk. Supervisor's Desk. Perfect. And that will go into there. All right, so what? I guess I could like design my own cubicle. I could take an existing cubicle. Right? Let's search for office because I know there's all kinds of stuff here we can do, but like you can build your own office chairs magically and all that sort of stuff. That's pretty cool. And there's also one already put together. Wait. I'm confused. Why are the cubicles not showing up in this list now when I just searched for cubicle? Okay, let's go back and back. Wait, is it cubicle or cubical? I think it's cubicle. Look, I've got a bunch of... Oh, is it because I've already imported them? I don't want a craftsman wall. Okay, let's get rid of these guys first off. Single. Here we go. Let's take a single and put it in the world and see what it looks like here. That is a single office cubicle. Oh, that's actually kind of perfect. So, how exactly do we do this? We can, when you're a supervisor, you don't want them knowing that you can see them. You don't want them looking towards you. So we need to put this at a neg 80, like that. And we need a little bit of a cubicle wall, right? So, not the desktop. Ah, here we are, cubicle wall, right? If we put this here, and we put this on top. No, that's the same thing, isn't it? This cubicle wall. This guy. Ah, there we go. And that goes up the top. Perfect. Okay. And then we take these two, And then we adjust them accordingly. Like so. Probably need to move it over just a little bit like that. Is that right? Let's see what happens if we go in here. Does that look like a good cubicle? I mean, it doesn't quite seem right. That wall is wrong. It's like an end cap wall. That's not right. Maybe instead if we... Let's see. Is this need to be rotated maybe? What do you think? Negative 180? If we do it like that and then... Oh, you know what we could do instead? I see what we do. I see what we do. I see what we do. We take one of these guys like so. No, it's too big. So take one of these guys. That should be... What's going on here? It's the wrong size too. This guy is the right size. So if we take you and then we move you up, like so. Like that. I feel like I need that same thing, just different. If that makes any sense at all. Like this guy is too big, right? He's much too big. I feel like the snapping to 10s is too much. Maybe I need to snap to 5s instead. Like so. Gives you a little privacy, and this will be... Just add that in there. Cancel. I don't... Actually, you know what? Maybe I will. Maybe I'll de-instance and reparent. And... No, I don't know how to do that yet. Oh, I got an email. Work. Go. Never mind. Okay, so we take both of these like that, and then we can move it over like so. Is that close enough to the wall? That's pretty dang close, but not close enough. One more, and then we hit, oops. That's not bad. And then if we just duplicate that a few times, right? And we got the supervisor here, and then they put the desktop and the computers there and the phone. So let's build a simple, right? Okay, computer. Let's try monitor instead. Let's start there. An urban office monitor, so plop you down there and rotate you by what, 90? Got it. Perfect. Okay. Do we actually need computers on these desks? Like, I guess we probably will. Let's see. Put it back here and here. Maybe this cubicle design is not very good. Okay, so we have a keyboard. Again, we need to rotate that 90 degrees. The keyboard over here, like so. That's not a very good keyboard. And then we need a standard phone. Phone base? Urban office phone, I guess. That's a much too nice phone, I think, for... Like, what is this? Like, that's not the kind of phone I would expect. I guess I should... I wish there were a way to just do a simple free rotate. That's fine. We'll put this at 80... No, let's put this at 97 degrees. No. 99 degrees? Sure. Let's put this guy... This whole thing here at 79 degrees, like that. Keyboard will move over just a tad, like so. That is right, isn't it? Or is that backwards? I feel no, that's the space bar. Okay, good. Yeah, now we just throwing down a chair. An office chair. We've already got an office chair. Oh, we need 2 office chairs. We need a simple one like this for this guy, right? We need to, again, rotate everything for some reason. Nope, neg 90. Bam. Okay, so there's one. Cool. But back here, we need like the end all be all of chairs, right? Like this cool sci-fi chair. You know what? It's a freaking office. Everybody has the same chairs. It just makes sense that they all have the same chair in this office. And, the colors will be a color theme, which we'll worry about coloration and stuff later. But now that we've got, okay. All right. Let's go and shrink all this stuff down and figure out what is what. So, not the floor, cubicle farm supervisor's desk. It's that whole thing. All right, and let's go folder. Chairs? Because why not? We'll just, this one is supervisor chair. Part of world building isn't just putting things in the world, but it's also, okay. I'm going to, boop, do this, and do this, do this, and create a whole new thing. Just that. And I'm going to abandon template, create a new template from this. Perfect, okay. So these always can't be in. Which, what? Oh. The instance, the instance, the instance. Now create a new template. Okay, and this will be called office cubicle. Default. Bam. Okay. So I've got this office cubicle default, and I can just take it and I can duplicate it, boop, like that, and then I can move it over, like so, and I can duplicate it again, and I can move that over, like so, and then I can go in here, and look at that. Pretty good, huh? I feel like I need to move them back, though. So take all three of these. Let's move us back about like that, right? Oops. Again, wrong's place. Got it. You know what? Here's what I gotta do. I gotta move my spawn point over here. Where is my spawn point? Just so I can stop doing that. Okay, you're over there. Zoop, zoop, zoop. You are gonna start near the supervisor's desk instead here. Okay, right. You're gonna actually start behind the supervisor's desk because you're not the supervisor, but might as well be. Okay, cool. So, office. You know what? I am going to do that. And I am going to new template from this. And of course, it's the chair. Supervisor's desk. Perfect. Okay. Good. It just feels easier working with it like that instead. So I can get rid of. No, I'll leave all these things in here, but I'll call my templates. Okay, folder, office. And my templates are the office cubicle default and the supervisor's desk. Those are my templates that I've created. Everything else is just something I've thrown in there, right? Because I can get rid of them and it's fine. Okay. So if I am here sitting in this chair looking out over there, I can't really see. Maybe I should put hmm hmm I don't know. I think is 3 enough? Question then becomes, can I make these? Let's see what happens if I take the supervisor's chair. Oh, I can just get rid of chairs. Delete that group. Can I? I can't enable networking on that. Can I just, I want to try something here because I don't know how this works yet when it comes to chair. Blip. Okay. If I go here and I can't enable networking. Do I need to de-instance it and then I can enable a networking? Ah, okay. That's fine. Let's see what happens now if we go and run into that chair. Does it move? It still doesn't move. How do you create a physics object in this game? Engine. Ah, I don't like that. That is horrible. Okay. So then to fix this, we need to actually remove or move. Maybe that's what we need to do. Instead, let's take this cubicle and let's move it over so it lines up like that. I mean, technically, cubicles aren't like this. They're all one piece, but it's fine. I mean, could always just get rid of a leg, maybe, right? Wasn't that what was the problem here? So if I go through here, desk leg. So I'm going to get rid of the right leg on one of the other ones here. I delete that. No, you know what? We'll leave it. Leave it be. Make it easy on ourselves. Okay. So I figure we should probably expand the floor. Duplicate it twice. Where is it here? We'll move this guy over until like there-ish. And there-ish. Okay, you move. Eat. And then you are in a good place. Are we in a good place over here? I think we are, actually. Seem like we're in a pretty good place. And this corner is good too, hopefully. Okay. So I just need 2 more cubicles. And then just shove them over here like that. And then I can take these guys and I can duplicate that. And then I can go like so. Let's see how that feels. It's not bad. Like this feels like a big mega corporation cube farm thing, right? Okay, so we're going to take this wall and we're going to duplicate it. And then we're going to move it this away. Like that. Seems solid. And like that. That's pretty good. Okay, so... Okay. So let's go ahead and grab this wall, and we are going to duplicate them as well, and that will be this wall. Ah, moving around in this world is so difficult because you have to be clicking to make the move happen, and it's rather tough to do. While actually moving around and such. Okay. Okay, let's hit play, and I'm sure that's all wrong. Yep, there's too much space. Is that right? Let's find out. Nope. Still a bit of a gap. I feel like we need to dupe. That should do nicely, I hope. Right? Okay, so this is pretty good. I think I need to add one more cubicle to each row, though. So if we go here, actually go here. W, not D. And he goes here. So it's this guy, and then this guy, and W, and whoop. Thereabouts. Have no weird overlaps. Things are looking pretty good. Okay. So what does every office need? We need a water cooler. Huh? Is there no water dispenser object? How is there no water cooler? They are seriously lacking in office decor. What about if we copier, printer? Oh no. Let's go sci-fi. Okay, let's start wall. What do they call this exactly? This is sci-fi. Do we have like some sort of sci-fi device thing or some pieces I can put together to make a printer? I don't really see anything. I gotta see what this thing looks like though. Oh, that's definitely not it. No, that's not it. Delete. Thank you. That's what we got. Sci-fi machinery base. What's this thing look like? Oh, that's not too bad. And then we can put a thingy up on top of it here. But no, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. Interesting. Oh wow, they have so many pieces. Oh my goodness, so many things. So many options here. Ooh, okay, that's fine. Let me see what my friend has here. Doing anything tonight? Of course. Anyway, so we have a few walls, which we have to paint still. Actually, I need to... Office wall. Can I replace... No. Can I do this? No. Mm. No, I want to get rid of all of them but one. And then we're going to put them back. There. Perfect. Okay, so we take those two, we duplicate that. This way, when I make a modification to one wall, I can make a modification to all the walls at the same time. And 90? It's fine. Let's see, are you actually in a good way? I think this one's in a good way. So if we go 890, 580, and 100, 580. I think I just need to come back this way now, right? Okay, let's make sure. Oh, that's not right. That's not right. Okay, office wall. There. It's this guy. That? How's it look? Did I get the walls in right again now? They feel right. No weird corners that we can... Oh, that's got to move. Okay. That's a problem, but it's easily fixed. That guy seems okay. Actually, you know what? Let's just double check. Look down. Look all around. Uh-oh. I think there's something weird with this corner here. Yep. There sure is. So let's go office wall, and we need to go over one more. Is that right? So let's 865, 580. Then we gotta go over one. Like that. And then this guy is all wrong. So we'll take him and its brother here. And we will adjust them ever so slightly inward. Is that still not far enough? I think we got a little bit more to go. Oh, I think that's good. Okay. How do our walls look? I wish there were an easy way to go from third to first person within the game engine, but I think that is a limitation of the way things are designed. All right, perfect. So now that's done, we need to expand our cubicle farm. Uh-oh. That's good. This is not. Let's go forward just a little bit like that. We have a diverging line. They're on the same. Perfect. Okay, so then we can take this, this, this. Uh-oh, you. Are you? And you. Got you and you. No? Okay. Hopefully this is good enough. Duplicate and move. Yeah, okay. Gots to. Can I click and drag and select? I don't want default floor. Okay, good. Look at this. This is how easy this thing is to make things with and design, but we're not even there yet, right? Just you wait and see. Okay, so we can add more cubicles. I wonder if they're... Why am I stuck on the desk? You shouldn't be able to jump on desks. Okay. So now I need a ceiling, of course. So let's take the white box floor. And let's make a thing called a ceiling. I before E, except after C, or when sounding like A, as a neighbor or way. Okay, so if we take this, and we duplicate the whole dang thing, and we move it up to, or down to ceiling. Oh no, I just realized my huge mistake. That's fine. We're going to get rid of all these guys, and we're going to take this one, and we're going to move it up. Move it up. For now. We'll see what we're doing here. that. Perfect. Okay. Reset. It's fine. So these guys, I need to delete all these. I need to create a new template from this. And this is office floor. Right? And so that goes into the office folder. And then office floor, I will do 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to undo that real quick. Get rid of 1, 2. Let's see, the gap. Gotta get rid of that gap. Is that right? Is that a good alignment? Let's see. How is that alignment doing? Is it too good, too bad? Nope, we still have a bit of a gap there. 60. Right? 890, 590. 890, 590. Perfect. Okay, so we take two of those. W. And then go boop, 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 boop. Fill in the gap. And then once more. Boop, boop, boop. No peace, I tell you. No peace. I think that's pretty good. Let's get in here and see. See any gaps? Any gaps at all? Oh, that looks good. Okay, good. Let's do the same with the ceiling. So we're going to call this office ceiling. Bang. Okay, cool. So we're going to duplicate that guy, move it on over. And then we take both of those, duplicate that guy, move it on over. That ain't right, but that's on purpose. Make sure we get all nice and lined up. Of course, yes, I see. Oh. Why you've been there? Oh, cool. Okay. And one more for now, although I feel like in reality we'll probably need more than just one more or whatever. Oops, caps lock, caps lock. All right, and we hit play, and here we are inside the dark, dark office. Cool. So I need to close these guys down, grab my cubicle farm, and take this through that guy. Duplicate it, move it here. What's the difference between row 1, is it 1950? Row 2, how about 24? Hold on, let's do this a little bit different here. Get rid of all these guys first. Okay. So this cubicle here is it 1950. What happens if we put it 2000 instead? How much difference is that? Obviously it's 50. What about if we make it 1900? I like 1900 better, so let's do the same for all of these guys here, right? Having that ceiling on is a pain. Okay. And then this row, 2,400. So now we have them exactly 500 apart, so I can take this row again. Control W, and then make that 2,900. Like that, and I don't know if we have another space for more, but let's find out. And if we go 3,400. No, but that's okay. What if we shrink the amount of space they get? Because they don't need that much space. Like, take this row here. So 2,400, we go 2,300. Oh, that's so much better. So much better. Okay, so 400 instead of 500. There we go. And then over here, 27, 30, 100. Just right. That looks pretty good. I'm building a cubicle farm. My friend is asking me what I'm doing. I'm designing office from hell. Okay, so now I need lighting. Right? So I need fluorescent light. Let's see, is that how you spell fluorescent? Let me see. F-L... F-L-U-O, not O-U. Desk lamp light, frame highlights. Maybe this? How's that thing look for a light? Oh, that's no good. That is close, but no. What does he say? In what? Core? What else would I be doing it in? Weirdo. Like, what lamp? Huh. Fixture, okay. I mean, look at all these. Like this. This is a signs, front bulbs, letters, neons. How in the world they have all this? Why am I even looking in whatever that is? I don't even know. Like, this is everything? There's a lot of stuff. Huh. Military rare crate. Military rare crate templates. But it's not a rare crate? I don't, anyway. I don't know what I can use to... Oh, I guess everybody's going to need a mouse, too. You know what? Let's just give them keyboards. Nobody needs mice. It's data entry. No, I haven't. Mm. Oh, my friend. He's all like, why haven't you done this? I'm like, you're taking forever on making this crap. It's going to take me forever. And a day, half a day, less than a day. Anyway. How do we design a ceiling lamp? I know something's got to exist. I could probably use simple primitives of some sort. Right? Oh, look at this road. Ooh, I can use road. Look at all that to work with. Road sidewalk. Very good stuff to use here. I like it. Okay. But still no signs of fluorescent lighting, which is truly bizarre. Like, I would think that fluorescent lighting would be like one of the first things that people make just because it's really common in everywhere. Guess I need. Oh, there's one with a door. Okay, cool. Oh, it even holds the. You stick this in walls, and let's see what happens here. Where is it? Let's see, where are you, white box wall? You're down there. Okay, so let's move you up. Let's rotate you by 90 degrees. Let's figure out our 865, negative 165, 580. Perfect. And I can just move you in. Just take you and just go whoop over there somewhere. And maybe I got it just right. That's amazing. Is this a wrong? Well, that's a weird size, I guess, compared to the rest here. But let's just move it over, move it on, move it up, move it around. Whatever we're gonna do here, we're gonna do it right. Oh, that's right. There's something weird with the way this engine works in the world of things, isn't there? Wait, did I somehow manage to bork that up? I don't think so, but it seems okay there. Let's go in the office and see. I feel like I'm gonna have to get rid of this cubicle here. Yeah, I think that's fine. Put something in here for decorations, and then we can just take another wall here, duplicate it, and then we will just move it all the way over. Like so. Why are you still? Oh, this is why. Okay. 3310, 590, and 590. Negative 165 versus negative 965. I think there's no gap there. So if we hit play, inside an office, the cubicle. Hey, door, it opens. And then I walk away and it'll close. I don't even have to cause it to trigger. That's fine. So far, so good. We're looking pretty good on this world building thing. I'm going to save that. And if you actually like the idea, oh, there's a corner. Is this corner a problem? Is there a light leak here, or is that just? No, there's no actual light leaking. Okay, good. So yeah, if you think this is kind of neat and you want to give me ideas, thoughts, feelings, suggestions for the future. Why is this one so high? Why is this one so high? We need to bring it down a bit, I think, to match the bottoms of the rest of them. There. Are they all lined up at the bottoms, I hope? Good. And then the ceiling, I guess that'll do. I hope that'll do. It seems okay, right? I don't know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong here, but it seems pretty good. And then I can, okay. Obviously, that spawn point is not the spawn point. But if you want to see more of designing the office, or if you want to see what comes next or whatever, let me know. Leave a comment, whatever. This is just the first set piece for who knows what's coming next. What is coming next? I don't know. I need to put a monitor, a big monitor, like right up on this wall right here. Let's give this a 90 degrees so we can actually see it, right, and view it. And then we need to make it 10 times as big. It's a little bit big. It's a little too big. So maybe we make this 5 times as tall. Something like that. Is there a way to change what's displayed on the monitor? Lights. Screen, yes! We can see. I can probably take this and put it there, but why doesn't it center it? It doesn't look good. All right, let's try instead. We'll take this sci-fi console screen. We'll make it 10. No, we'll make this 5 and 5. How's that look? No, let's make that 5 and 3. It's not bad. It's our poster. No, but we can make some sort of motivational posters using decals and stuff, probably. Should figure out what the ceiling is going to be made of. So let's see here. If I want the ceiling material, let's try office drop ceiling material, right? There we go. And if we just update template from this, there we go. Okay, and then if we go to the wall here, and the wall inner and inner two, I don't know. What if I just want white material instead of this? White. So just a simple wood raw white. See what that looks like with this guy. Which wall is this that I'm looking at here? Did I put that outside or inside? That went outside. Okay. No, that is no good. Reset. I need a better material. Can I just make it not meshy mesh? No. Okay, what else we got? We got plaster. No. There should be just materials, like all kinds of materials here. Basic material. We'll put that on the inner of this wall here, and let's go and see what that looks like. And we will update a template from this. Okay, so now we need to fix some of these walls. Like these guys here, this one needs to be 180. What? Huh? Oh, I see. I have to move it. Like that. Same here. Same here. Got to plan ahead when doing this. Okay, this guy now. Okay, basic material. Ah, I got that one right. This guy. Make 90, move it over here. And there we go. So far, we got ourselves a wall coming up here. Beautiful. Okay, so let's hit play, go on into this world, see what it looks like inside our office now. I mean, it's not perfect, but definitely feels like you're inside of an office. Very plain, very... Okay, so let's fix this guy here. Let's move it up to the bottom. Sure, why not? And let's go to the doorway itself, and let's find materials for this. I want something... Let's see, the inner? No. The inner? Not bad. And then we go for the door. And again, the door... Interesting. So there's a server context. There's a client context. And there's a rotation route. And then there's actually a door. It's not bad. It's not bad. I just need lighting in here now. That's what we're missing because it's very dark. And we see these weird light leaks in the corners occasionally. I don't know if that's because of the way I built this thing or if it's something to do with the way the game works. I mean, like what is overlapping here? Like you see that little bit. If we go down, we look here. I don't know. I don't know. Not sure if the overlap is part of it or what's happening here, but so far so good. So is there a way to see exactly what is taking up these calculations? Like what is calculating? Oh, I'm gonna... There we go. Okay, walls and the white box. Wait, where did I... Oh, there it is. You're going to the office. Okay, good. Okay. Well, that's all the time I have today for my stream. My alarm that I set earlier has exactly 1 minute left on it right now. So thank you so much for joining me, guys. Well, thank you for watching from the future. And if you did, remember, leave a comment, like the video. Let me know if there's anything more you'd like to see me do. If you have any questions about the creation process within Core, world building, or even what I'm planning on doing here, or anything like that, just let me know. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.